Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall start new topic polar coordinates. We are all familiar with the Cartesian coordinate system where we denote a point by x comma y. Okay, this system is called Cartesian coordinate system. We have one more coordinate system to represent the given point, and that is p of r comma theta, and this system is called as the polar coordinate system. So let us study in detail about this polar coordinate system. Let O be a fixed point and OA be a fixed line. Next, consider any point on the plane containing this point O and the plane A. Let P be any point. Now join O and P, and here the angle made by this OP and OA is equals to theta. So that is, let this distance OP is equals to R and A, the angle AOP equals to theta. Now these two quantities are here fixed quantities. Always these two are fixed. Okay. These two fixed quantities, the first one OP is called as the radius vector, and this theta is called as the vectorial angle. Now this point is denoted by pair of r comma theta, that is p is equals to r comma theta, and this system is called as the polar coordinate system. So this line is called as the initial line, and this point, fixed point, is called as the pole. Equation r equals to f of theta is called polar equation. Next, angle between the radius vector and the tangent at a point on the curve. We derive an equation for the angle between radius vector and the tangent at a point on the curve. Let O be a fixed point and OA be a fixed line. Consider a curve whose equation is equals to r equals to f of theta. Next, consider any point on this curve p equals to is denoted by r comma theta. Now join this OP. This line gives the distance r. So this is equals to r, and the angle between this radius vector and the initial line is equals to theta. Now draw a tangent to this curve, okay, and join up to, so which meets at the initial line at point T. Okay, so once again I repeat, consider a curve whose equation is equals to r equals to f of theta. Okay, let any point P on this curve. Now join this fixed point pole O and P. This gives the radius vector. So this is the radius vector, and the angle between this radius vector and the initial line gives you theta, that is vectorial angle. Now consider a tangent to this curve which meets initial line at point T. Consider the angle between tangent and the radius vector is equals to phi and the exterior angle as psi. Okay. That is, here we write the description for this figure, that is, let r is equals to f of theta be a polar equation of a curve. Let p equals to r comma theta be any point on this curve. Next, join OP which is equals to R and the angle AOP is equals to theta. Next, let the angle let us draw a tangent to the curve at point P and which meets the initial line at T. Now let the angle between radius vector and the tangent to the curve be phi. Now we have to find this phi value only. Okay. Let exterior angle made by tangent with initial line is psi. Okay. So here this is the exterior angle made by this tangent with initial line OA. Now you can observe this figure that this psi is equals to theta plus phi because sum of the exterior angle is equals to sum of opposite interior angles. So these two are the interior angles, therefore sum of these two interior angles gives the exterior angle. Therefore psi is equals to theta plus phi. Now taking tan on both sides, we get tan psi is equals to tan theta plus phi. So now applying tan of a plus b formula, we get tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So this is tan psi value. Consider this as equation 1. Now let p is equals to x comma y be the Cartesian coordinate system of point P. Then we have x is equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta. Okay. So defining cos theta here we get x by r and defining sin theta we get y by r. Okay. Next, so from these two we can write this as x equals to r value is equals to f of theta into cos theta and y is equals to f of theta sin theta. Okay. On differentiating these two, we get with respect to theta, we get, for differentiating x with respect to theta, we get dx by d theta is equals to, so here we have to apply x uv formula, f of theta as it is cos theta differentiation minus sin theta plus sin theta as it is f of theta differentiation f dash of theta, and differentiating y with respect to theta, we get d theta is equals to f of theta as it is sin theta differentiation cos theta plus cos theta sin theta as it is differentiation of f of theta is f dash of theta. So here this is cos theta. Okay. Next, now we know that the slope of the tangent PT is given by tan psi, which gives dy by dx, which is given by dy by dx, that is tan psi equals to dy by dx. Now this dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Substituting dy and dy by d theta and dx by d theta values here, we get tan psi equals to dy by d theta value is f of theta cos theta plus f dash of theta sin theta divided by minus f of theta into sin theta plus f dash of theta into cos theta. Now dividing both numerator and denominator by f dash of theta into cos theta, we get tan psi equals to, so dividing by cos theta we get f of theta divided by f dash of theta, cos theta get cancels, plus now f dash of theta get cancels, sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta, whole divided by minus f of theta divided by f dash of theta into sin theta divided by cos theta plus f dash of theta, f dash of cos theta get cancels, we get 1. Further simplifying this, we get, this can be written as, first sin by cos can be written as tan, so that is tan theta plus, here we get f dash of theta, f of theta divided by f dash of theta, whole divided by, this can be written as 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta into f of theta divided by f dash of theta. Consider this as equation 2. Now comparing equation 1 and 2. Here we have equation 1 and equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, tan LHS side is same, so equating RHS side. In the place of tan theta we have tan theta, but in the place of tan phi we have f of theta divided by f dash of theta. Even in the denominator, in the place of 1 minus sin, in the place of tan we have tan theta, but in the place of tan phi we have f of theta divided by f dash of theta, so that it gives that tan phi value is equals to f of theta divided by f dash of theta. So that is comparing equation 1 and 2, we get tan phi equals to f of theta divided by f dash of theta. F of theta means it is equals to r. F dash of theta means differentiation of this r with respect to theta, that is dr divided by d theta. So that this can be written as r into cross multiplying we get d theta divided by dr. Thus tan phi equals to r into d theta divided by dr. So this is the angle between radius vector and the tangent to the given curve. So this gives, which is required equation for angle between radius vector and tangent at a point to the given curve. Okay, taking reciprocal on both sides, we can write it as 1 divided by tan phi equals to 1 divided by r d theta divided by dr, or 1 by tan phi is equals to cot phi equals to 1 by r. So taking this to the numerator, it gives dr divided by d theta. Thus this formula also known as cot phi is equals to 1 by r dr by theta. Either you can use this formula or this one. Problems. Find angle between radius vector and tangent for the following curves. First one, r equals to a 1 plus cos theta. So here given that this curve given curve is r equals to a 1 plus cos theta, we have the formula for angle between radius vector and tangent is tan phi is equals to r d theta divided by dr. So given curve is r equals to a 1 plus cos theta. So here, in order to get the angle between tangent and the curve, that is radius vector, we need to differentiate this first, that is differentiating with respect to theta. We get dr divided by d theta is equals to a is constant 1 differentiation 0 plus cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So which gives my a into or minus a into sin theta. Thus the dr divided by d theta value is equals to minus a sin theta. Next, we have formula tan phi equals to r d theta divided by dr. So substituting r value, which is given by a into 1 plus cos theta, and dr by d theta value is, so this is dr by d theta value, here we need d theta divided by dr value, that is it is equals to 1 by minus a sin theta, or here only you have to take the reciprocal. On taking reciprocal, we get d theta divided by dr value, which is equals to minus 1 by a sin theta. Okay, now simplifying, we get tan phi equals to minus, so a get cancels, we get minus 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta, or this can be written as minus, we have 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 get cancels, one term of cos get cancels, we get minus cos by, here we get cos by sin, which is equals to minus cot theta by 2. So tan phi equals to minus cot theta by 2. But we have tan of pi by 2 plus theta equals to minus cot theta. Therefore, this minus cos of theta by 2 can be written as in terms of tan equals to tan of pi by 2 plus theta, here theta value is theta by 2. So because tan of pi by 2 plus theta is equals to minus cos theta, or minus cot theta is equals to tan of pi by 2 plus theta, using this formula. So this can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So here we have tan phi, tan get cancels, we get phi value is equals to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Problems are very simple. First, differentiate given curve, we will get dr by d theta value. Then taking reciprocal, we get g theta by dr value. Substituting in the formula and simplifying, we get the required angle. So that is required answer. So this is the angle between radius vector and tangent to the given curve. Second example, r equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. Solution, we have formula tan phi equals to r into d theta divided by dr. The given curve is r equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get dr by d theta. So which is equals to a constant, 1 differentiation 0, minus as it is cos theta differentiation minus sin theta, therefore minus into minus plus sin theta. So that is a sin theta. Now dr by d theta is equals to, we get a sin theta. So taking reciprocal, we get d theta by dr value is equals to 1 by a sin theta, because in the formula we need d theta divided by dr. Therefore we have to take the reciprocal for this one. So therefore tan phi value equals to r value, r into d theta divided by dr. R value is equals to a 1 minus cos theta into d theta divided by dr value is 1 divided by a sin theta. A get cancels. This is equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. We have 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta divided by 2. Sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta divided by 2 into cos theta divided by 2. Sin to sin term get cancels, 2 get cancels. Numerator we have one more sin term. Sin by cos is equals to tan theta divided by 2. So here we have tan phi. Thus tan get cancels, we get phi is equals to theta divided by 2. So this is the required angle. Next problem, r equals to a into 1 plus sin theta at theta is equals to pi by 6. Solution, we have tan phi equals to r into d theta divided by dr. Given curve is r equals to a into 1 plus sin theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, we get dr divided by d theta is equals to a is constant, 1 differentiation 0, sin theta differentiation cos theta. So that is a into cos theta. taking reciprocal we get d theta divided by dr equals to 1 by a cos theta. Now tan phi equals to, substituting r value, we get a into 1 plus sin theta into d theta divided by dr, 1 by a cos theta. A get cancels, we get 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Here angle is given by theta is equals to pi by 6. Therefore we don't use the formula here, directly we substitute the theta value. So then we get the easily the therefore if we get 1 plus sin pi by 6, which can be easily simplified, and cos of pi by 6, we get 1 as it is. 1 plus sin of pi by 6 value is 1 by 2 and cos of pi by 6 value is root 3 by 2. So simplifying, here numerator becomes 3 by 2 and denominator root 3 by 2. So here 2 get cancels, we get 3 by root 3, or it can be written as root 3. So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. One term of root 3 get cancels, therefore we get root 3. So thus tan phi is equals to, we get root 3, which implies that phi is equals to tan inverse of root 3, which is equals to phi equals to tan inverse of root 3 is equals to, we get pi by 3. So this is the required answer. Next problem, r square equals to a square cos 2 theta at theta is equals to pi by 6. Solution, first differentiating this curve, we get r square differentiation is 2r into dr by d theta plus a square is constant, cos 2 theta differentiation is minus sin 2 theta into differentiation of 2 theta is 2. Therefore 2 get cancels, we get dr by d theta is equals to minus a square sin 2 theta divided by this r. Therefore tan phi equals to r into dr by d theta is equals to, r value is equals to, so from the given r value we can substitute here. So before that, here we take the reciprocal of dr by d theta. Sorry, here we have d theta by dr. So therefore taking reciprocal, here we get d theta divided by dr value, that is equals to taking reciprocal minus r divided by a square sin of 2 theta. Therefore here we keep this r as it is into d theta by dr value is minus r a square sin 2 theta. Now r into r becomes r square minus sin as it is a square sin 2 theta. Now from the given equation we can substitute this r square value, because in the given it is given as r square. Therefore substituting r square value, we get r square is given by a square cos 2 theta divided by denominator as it is, that is a square into sin 2 theta. A square get cancels, cos by sin is equals to, we get cot, that is minus cot 2 theta. So thus tan phi is equals to minus cot 2 theta, but minus cot 2 theta can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus theta. So in the place of theta we have 2 theta, therefore it is 2 theta. So tan get cancels, we get phi is equals to pi by 2 plus 2 theta, that is theta is given by pi by 6. Substituting theta value, here we get phi equals to pi by 2 plus 2 into pi by 6, which is equals to pi by 2 plus pi by 3 So this is equals to 5 pi by 6. Thus phi value is equals to 5 pi by 6. Next example, r equals to a theta. Solution: differentiating given curve, we get dr by d theta is equals to a constant theta differentiation 1. That is, we get dr by d theta is equals to a. On taking reciprocal, d theta by dr equals to 1 by a. Therefore, we have tan phi equals to r into d theta by dr, which is equals to r value, substituting r value a into theta into d theta by dr value is 1 by a. A get cancels, we get tan phi is equals to theta, or phi equals to tan inverse of theta. So this is the required answer.